Hello students. So today in today's class we will continue yesterday's lesson, that is on ESR spectroscopy. So today we will just deal with the in this small video I just want to tell you what is the standard for this ESR spectroscopy, that is what is called as DPPH. There is a molecule DPPH and it is used as a standard for ESR spectroscopy, like how we use for TMS in the case of NMR, tetramethylsilane use பண்ணுவோம் NMR la, the similar way we are using diphenyl picryl hydrazine. So this is nothing but diphenyl picryl hydrazine is the standard for ESR spectroscopy. Picryl hydrazine. So first, how to draw or how to remember this molecule by heart. So we need to remember the hydrazine. So hydrazine நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும் NH2. Okay, this one is hydrazine. Yeah. So in the hydrazine we have to insert this diphenyl, 1,1 diphenyl. So this is nothing but 1,1 diphenyl. So what I have to do, I have to remove these two hydrogens. Instead of that, I have to have two phenyl rings. So here one phenyl ring I must have, and this is one phenyl ring and another phenyl ring here. So diphenyl is over. So you have, and picryl. So instead of this one of the hydrogen, I have to have this picryl. So one hydrogen I am going to erase. Instead I am going to have picryl nucleus. What is picryl? Picric acid உடைய nucleus. Picric acid na enna? Trinitrophenol, right? So this you have, sorry. So this is okay. So this is okay. So this is my hydrazine, and here if I am going to have a radical, then it is diphenyl picryl radical. I can show you. This is the compound that you have the this is the internal standard. Okay, so in this, what is the most striking feature is it is having a G value of 2.0036. okay, so it is having a perfect G value of 2.0036, and then in liquid this molecule is capable of giving 5 lines. Why you are getting 5 lines அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So in liquid you are getting 5 lines for this molecule diphenyl picryl hydrazine radical. Okay, so this is the reference compound for the ESR, and you are getting 5 lines for this. We will see how. So இப்போ இந்த radical இருக்கு இல்லையா, இப்போ இந்த ஒரு electron வந்து it will go through whole of the system. Especially we have to consider what, these two nitrogens. Okay, so இதுல வந்து இந்த radical வந்து எது NMR active I value non zero இருக்கோ அந்த நியூக்ளியஸ் ஆல ஸ்பிளிட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ இப்போ இங்க பார்க்கும்பொழுது ரெண்டு என்எம்ஆர் ஐ நான் ஜீரோ இருக்கு. ஸோ ரெண்டு நைட்ரஜன்ஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ அப்போ அந்த ரெண்டு நைட்ரஜன்ஸாலேயும் ஸ்பிளிட் ஆகும். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ஃபார்முலா யூ ஹாவ் டு யூஸ்? 2 into n, okay, into number I value plus 1. okay, so இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் n is the number of that nucleus, I value for nitrogen. இங்க வந்து number of nitrogens, I value for nitrogen. so இந்த இடத்துல 2 into எத்தனை number of nitrogens இருக்கு? This is 1 and this is 2. so you have 2 into I value is nothing but equal to 1 for nitrogen, we know. okay, 1 plus 1. So this gives 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 lines. Okay. So in the 5 lines, you will be tempted to tell the Pascal's triangle ஓட நம்மளோட இன்டென்சிட்டி ரேஷியோ 1:4:6:4:1 அப்படின்னு நமக்கு சொல்ல தோணும். ஆனா இந்த இடத்துல you have to be careful that this is for I value greater than half means the intensity will follow non-Pascal triangle rule. Non-Pascal triangle rule. Non-Pascal triangle rule. So we are going to follow non-Pascal triangle rule, and what will happen? This intensity will be 1:2:3:2:1, right? So that will be the intensity ratio of these 5 lines. So we will be getting the lines like this: 1:2:3:4, 2:1, right? So this is the, so in this small video I want you all to remember the ESR spectroscopy contains is actually having calibrated with the help of the DPPH molecule, that is diphenyl cycryl hydrazine. So how you are writing the structure we have seen, and this radical will be delocalized on all the whole of the structure, and so the NMR active nuclei nitrogen will be affecting the splittings. So actually there are two nitrogens, so you are using 2Ni plus 1 formula, so you get there are two nitrogens with I value is equal to 1, so 2 into 2 into 1 plus 1, so 5 lines are there. So I greater than half means it obeys non-Pascal triangle rule, so the intensity is in the ratio this one. So this finishes this video.